Hey everyone, welcome to Saas Pro. Connecting Claude to Blender opens up a whole new level of creativity and automation. In this video, I'll show you how to set everything up, step by step, so you can start using it right away. First, open your Claude app from desktop. You must have the desktop version, the app version. Now, open the side panel by clicking on this icon. Then from the options, click on customize. From here, in the customize section, click on connectors. Now, click the add option and select browse connectors. A new window has appeared. Now in the search section, type Blender. Okay, I got this in the first try. Now click on it. Then select install. Click install. Then you have to wait a few moments while it's installing in your Claude desktop app. Okay, while it's installing in your desktop version of Claude, click this thing that is underlined where there is a link. The link will open like this. This is the link that will open by clicking on that underlined line. Now click on from this the add-on section, click on download. Okay, a zip file has been downloaded in your computer. Let's see where it has been downloaded. Okay, I have found the downloaded file. Now let's give some time to install the Blender. After the installation is done and it's all completed, then make sure to toggle on the enabled option in order to add the add-ons on your Claude. Okay, now let's move on to the Blender app. Open the Blender app from your desktop. Now click on the edit option at the top left corner. From there, click on preferences. A new window will pop up. Make sure the add-on is selected. Now click on the drop down and from here select install from disk. In my desktop, the downloaded folder is in the download section, so I'll select downloads from the left sidebar, then click on the add-on I just installed, the zip file you have just installed right now, then click on install from disk. It will take some moment to install. As you can see, it has installed already. So okay, let's go back to the Claude and test if the things has changed or not. Okay, before going there, make sure the MCP option is selected and it's toggled on or it's checked right, otherwise it won't work. Okay, now let's move on to the Claude desktop version and we will test if it has worked or not. Select a new chat and let's do something. Okay, now let's give a prompt. I'll give a prompt to create a cat in Blender. Then hit enter. It will take some time and we will come back again when the result is ready. Okay, once the code is generated, copy the code. Okay, then go back to Blender. Now, this is the home page or the task page that you are performing your task. From the above options, click on scripting, then click on new. Here, paste the code. We just copy it and run the code. Here you can see there is a cat. by after giving the code, it has generated a get. Okay guys, that is it for today. I hope this video has helped you a lot and you have found your solution from here. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.